and welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be very short and I'm going to focus on a very basic technique in jewelry making, and this is how to open and close jump rings correctly. And I will also show you how not to do it. So let's take a look right away. There are two main types of jump rings: open jump rings and closed jump rings. An open jump ring is a metal ring where the ends meet, but they are not soldered or welded together, and this jump ring has a small cut in it that works as an opening. I'm not afraid to say that open jump rings are essential findings for jewelry making, allowing you to connect different components such as clasp, chains or other findings. A closed jump ring is a metal ring without an opening. They are perfect for linking open jump rings, for using with clasp at the end of a necklace, or they bringing together multiple strands. And today I'm going to focus on open jump rings and I'm going to show you how to open them correctly. So we take two pair of pliers. I'm using any pliers I have at hand. Chain nose pliers, bent nose pliers, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, whichever you want. I'm going to use bent nose pliers and chain nose pliers. Grab the jump ring on one half of the jump ring, and with the other pair of pliers grab the other side of the jump ring. Make sure that the opening of the jump ring is at the top, and now twist one of the pliers away from you and the other one towards you at the same time. Do it from front to back instead of side to side. This will cause the jump ring to open. We open it just enough to allow us to add the components we want. If we open it too far, the metal can weaken or even break. I will show it again from different angle. So now we can place our component into the open ring. And to close the jump ring, we just use the same twisting motion with our pliers, but in reverse instead. We twist the ring until we get the ends to meet. If there's a little gap between the ends, go back and forth wiggling until the gap closes. It's just that easy. To be complete, I will show you how you shouldn't open the jump ring. Don't pull the jump ring apart this way. You can see that it's oval now and there is no way you will be able to get the jump ring back into its round shape, and it simply doesn't look good. So don't do this. And this is all for today. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and see you next time. Bye!